This is Course 2, Math, Statistics, and Probability, mini book, and I am Mrs. McCowan. On the front of your book, I would like you to write my name, and this is where you insert your name. This is my little book of statistics and probability, 20% of FCAT 2.0. Contents. S6.1, reasonableness of a sample. S6.2, construct and analyze histograms, stem and leaf plots, circle graphs. P7.1, determine outcome of an event or experiment. P7.2, make predictions with probability. Please fill in the blanks. My goal is to. I will learn. I'm going to get A on FCAT if I Next page, reasonableness of a sample. Arnie surveys 80 students randomly, choosing names from the school directory. Number 2, Vic surveys 28 people sitting on a bench at a football game. The survey was football game attendance. So for number 1, this clearly is a random sample. It is the best representation because they are asking about the students randomly. Number 2, this is a bias sample. These people were already at the football game. Duh. Graphs. The first graph we have is a circle graph. The second graph is a histogram. And the third one is a stem and leaf plot. Determining the outcome. The first outcome is possible, impossible, that's 0%. Second is unlikely, that's less than 50%. Third is as likely as not, that's 50%. Likely is more than 50%. And certain is 100%. So determine the event of rolling a 12 on a die. That is impossible because there is not a 12 on a die. Rolling a 1 on a die is unlikely because it's less than 50%. Making predictions. We have 2 types of probability. Theoretical, that's the ratio of the number of ways an event occurs, and experimental, that's when we perform an experiment and find the ratio. So rolling a 4, that would be a 1 out of 6. Theoretical probability. Picking a queen out of a card deck, that would be 1 out of 13. Theoretical probability. If Cameron picks 4 red M&Ms from 10, her experimental probability would be 2/5. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and copy this down on the next page. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and take the quick quiz. Please place your answers on the page where it says Quick Quiz 1. Okay, I'd like you to score your quiz. Number 1 was 12. Number 2 was 14. Number 3 was 30% or 3/10. Number 4 was 1/6 or unlikely. Number 5 was 5/6 or likely. If you got all of these correct, score yourself 100. If you got 4 correct, score yourself a 90%. If you got 3 correct, score yourself an 80%. 2 would be a 70. 1 would be a 60. And 0 would be a 50. Okay, do you need extra help? You can go back and watch this video again, ask Mrs. McCowan a question, or come in the morning for extra tutoring at 8:45. Thank you for watching.